Top 10 cheesy pickup lines. Kiss me if I'm wrong, but dinosaurs still exist, right? Is there an airport nearby? Or is that my heart taking off? Was your dad an alien? Because there's nothing else on Earth like you. My doctor says that I'm lacking vitamin U. You spend so much time in my mind. I should charge you rent. Wouldn't we look cute together? On a wedding cake? Can I take your picture? I want Santa to know exactly what I want for Christmas. You must be a ninja, because you snuck into my heart. Is there a rainbow today? Because I just found a treasure I've been searching for. I must be in a museum. Because you truly are a work of art.